All right, we're going to look at how changing the radius value affects the actual layout of a roadway. So in this example, I'm going to draw a couple of tangents. And essentially what I'm going around right now is there's a quarry here just inside this curve. I'm just drawing this as a sample alignment, not an actual road that's going to be designed. And so we've got our preliminary alignment here. These are just the tangents. So we need to go back in and we need to put in our actual curve features. So at this point of intersection, we're going to need to put in our curve. I'm going to start out with, let's say, a 5,000 foot radius. And so what I want to illustrate here is just that we've got this point of intersection. It looks like we're avoiding this depression here, this rock quarry. And let's see when we actually put in the curve what that actually looks like. Because remember, the road isn't where our point of intersection is. The road is where the curve is going to take us. And so this 5,000 foot radius is going to intersect and interfere with that quarry. There's not going to be enough room for our alignment there. So let's see what happens when we choose a smaller radius of taking it from 5,000 feet to a 2,500 foot radius. All right, and that looks more reasonable. It looks like we're avoiding the quarry there. We can also adjust where that point of intersection is. If we want to pull that out a little bit further, we can do that as well. I'm going to show what that would look like here as well. So we can pull that back a little bit, give us a little bit more room around that rock quarry. We could even adjust that radius a little bit smaller if we need to. Let's try 2,000. Again, it's going to keep scooting us further away from that quarry. We could then go to this next point of intersection and turn it into a circular curve as well. And now we'll have somewhat of an S-curve situation where we've got a curve in one direction followed by a curve in another direction. And again, this is, I want to just give us a perspective of what happens when we're changing the radius of a curve, how that affects the actual alignment.